Open the kit and lay it out in front of you.
Close the inlet and outlet valves.
Perform manual flushing. Disconnect the command tubes. Release the cover clamp. Hold the piston when open the clamp to prevent it from falling. Remove the filter cover.
Make sure the long piston is moving freely.
Remove turbine. Remove separation plate. Remove course screen, fine screen, and suction scanner. Wash the screens in high pressure. Observe the screens. Replace the suction scanner's nozzles. Replace the screen seals and lubricate. Insert the suction scanner into place. Make sure the suction scanner shaft passes through its socket at the center of a designated course screen. Replace the separation plate's seal and lubricate.
Observe the filter housing to make sure no dirt is left. Insert the screen and suction scanner assembly into the filter housing.
Reinstall the separation plate into place.
Reinstall the turbine into place.
Rotate the turbine. Make sure rotating freely.
Replace the cover's hydraulic seal. Make sure the seal's inner ribs side facing out, and lubricate.
Reinstall the filter cover. Reinstall the clamp. Reconnect the tubes. Open the filter's inlet and outlet valves. Perform manual flushing. Replace the controller batteries with new ones.